Hello everybody, welcome to Online Learning Student Orientation. To access your online or hybrid course, you have to go to Canvas portal page, which is https://ccp.instructure.com. And if you have any questions or if you come across technical issues, you may contact the Office of Online Learning at onlinelearning@ccp.edu, or you may also call help desk at 215-496-6000 and choose option number 2. If you are interested in finding out more about online learning program, or if you want to know what online learning courses are offered, you may check our website, which is http://www.ccp.edu/academic-offerings/online-learning. So now let's get started with our orientation. This orientation will go over some important features that will help students to get started. The 5 things that I'm going to be covering are how to navigate Canvas, how to change your profile, how to update notification preferences, how to send messages, and how to submit assignments. So now let's start and show you how easy it is for you to create password for Canvas. As you can see on the screen, it is My CCP portal page. On My CCP portal page, the 5th link is Canvas LMS. If you click on this link, that will take you to Canvas login portal page. But if you go to your home page, which is CCP website, ccp.edu, you will also see Canvas login link on top of the screen. You can click Canvas login link from here, or you can click it from My CCP page. You have it available on both places. So let's click here. This is Canvas login portal page. Here you have 2 boxes. The first one is asking you to enter your My CCP username, and the second one is asking you to enter your password. So now let's make this very clear that Canvas password is different than My CCP password. My CCP username is the same for Canvas, but for Canvas you cannot use My CCP password because that password is for your My CCP account. For Canvas, if you are a new student, you have to create a password for Canvas. Your My CCP password will not work. If you are a continuing student and you have created your Canvas password in the past, you don't have to create a new password for Canvas. You can use the same password that you have created and you will be able to access Canvas courses. But for new students who have never accessed Canvas courses or Canvas account, they have to create a password. Now let's create a password. If you click on this link, new user / don't know your password, you will be able to create password. Now in this box, it's asking you to enter your My CCP username. So I'm going to enter my username for My CCP. And once I click on this request password button, it will bring a yellow bar on top of the screen, and it will give you a message that please check your My CCP email and also check your spam folder. So let me click on this so you will see the green message appearing on top of the screen. Now let's go to My CCP account so that we can check the email. Now in this case, to check your email, we are going to access your My CCP account. Great. So here we have email coming from instructor Canvas, and going to click on the email to see the link which is in your email account, which is right here. If you click on this, you will be able to create a password. And once you click it, you will go back to the portal page. Now you can click on the, now you have to enter the username and enter the password that you have just created, and then log in. If you see the screen, that means you have successfully logged into your Canvas account. If you are taking 2 courses, you will see 2 color cards on the dashboard. If you're taking more than 2, you will see more than 2. If you don't see the courses, you can also click on this courses tab and click on all courses to see if you have to highlight the course to see in the on the dashboard. So sometimes if you highlight the course, it shows up on your dashboard. Sometimes it's not highlighted, so you have to make sure that you highlight the star. If you click on the star and if it's clear, that means it's not going to show up on your dashboard. It has to be gold star so that you can see it on your dashboard. So before I had 2 courses, now I have 3 because I have selected one more course by clicking on the star. So now I'm going to go to the course that I'm interested in checking to see what's going on. Now here I am inside the course. Now inside the course you have these wonderful tabs, and then these tabs will take you to different areas. But just to be careful that not all teachers use these tabs. Some teachers may have 4 or 5 tabs, some teachers may have 8 tabs, some teachers may have all of them. So if you don't see all the tabs in your course, don't worry, because it depends on the teacher and what tab they want to use. So it's up to your instructor. Now let me take you to, this is your home page. We are at the home page right now, and on the home page generally you're given a little information about the course. Some instructor use that home page. Some instructor directly take you to modules. Modules is the area where instructors sequentially put their course material for you, and they are structured weekly. So for example, in the session 1, which is week 1, what you will be doing is actually given right here. And so you have a syllabus, as you generally get the syllabus in the first day of class. You have other things that you have to do. You have to read, and then if any assignments or discussions are due, they are also listed here. So how do you now submit your assignments? I'm going to go over quickly first how do you change your profile. Then I'm going to come back to this how to submit assignment. So let me take you to another tab, which is account tab. Account tab is where you will be able to change your profile, course setting, notifications. You can also upload the files, and you also have access to ePortfolio. Once you click on profile, in the profile area you have the option to upload your picture or upload anything that you think you want to be identified as. It's like an avatar. It's up to you if you want to, what you want to use. In the profile area you also have an option to add another email. If you are somebody who does not check CCP email frequently, then you have the option to add a different email. You can simply enter your email here, and it will take your email and show up underneath the option right here. So you will start receiving the email where you check it frequently. You also have the option to add another contact method, and that is your cell number. Some students prefer to receive text messages. They are always, on the go, so they would prefer to receive text messages on the cell phone. If you are one of those students, you can simply enter your cell number, enter the carrier, and if you don't see the carrier, then you simply say other carrier, enter the email that is associated with the cell number, and simply register. So that way you will not miss out on any messages that's coming from your course or from your instructor or from anybody from the class. So this is how you change your profile. Now I am going to take you to notifications, because after you set your profile, it's important for you to see how frequently do you want to receive the messages from the course and different parts of course. So for example, if your teacher changes the due date for the assignment, how frequently do you want to receive it? Do you want to receive it right away? Do you want to receive it weekly, once a day? So these are all the options available. Discussions, do you want to receive something to do with discussion right away, or scheduling, or groups? So it's up to you. You have the option to control how frequently do you want to receive messages from your Canvas account. And now I'm going to take you out to email area. How you can simply send messages to your teacher, to students in your class, and how simple it is. So let's compose an email. To compose an email, you have to click on this icon, which is a pencil, and if you click on it, it will bring you to this page, and then it will ask you to select the course. Which course do you want to send the message from? So I'm going to use my online course, and in the address box I'm going to see that I don't want to send everybody a message. I just want to send it to my teacher. So I'm going to pick teacher's name. I'm going to write what it's about. Okay, I'm just going to say emergency, and I'm going to inform my teacher. Emergency, and I'm going to simply okay. So I'm informing my teacher, and this way your teacher will get it right away. So the message is sent. You get the green bar indication that your message is gone. So now if you want to see what have you sent, you can simply go here and check whether the message is sent. Okay, so yes, this is the message that you just sent to your professor, and it's gone. And you can do the same thing. If you want to compose a message and you want to send it to your anybody in your class and not the teacher, you can simply check their name and compose a message and send it to them. So it is that simple for you to send the message. Now I'm going to show you quickly how you can submit your assignment. I'm going to go back to the course. Again, you can go from the courses area, from the courses tab to the course, or you can go from your dashboard. So on the dashboard, you have these colorful cards that you can click and go to the modules where the assignments are listed. So I'm going to click on the assignment by A icon, and by clicking here, you will be taken to your assignment. So right here it says the assignment is due on May 22nd. To submit your assignment, you'll have to click on the submit button, and you have the option to either upload your file You can also do the text entry, which is you can type in the box. We recommend that you always type in your work and save it in some kind of word processor so that you don't lose your work. Sometimes when students starts typing in this box and they lose the internet connection, they lose their work, and if they have not saved their work someplace else, it's not possible to retrieve it. So our recommendation to you is that you always save your work in the word processor. Any word processor, it doesn't matter. And once you're done, you can simply copy from there and paste it here. So just in case if you have any error or any internet problem, you will still have your work. You can simply go back to it and again paste it here. Then here, this is Google Doc, where you share your documents with other people. Again, it depends on your teacher whether she or he uses this. And this is the media option, where you can record yourself and you can upload your recording here. Most of the teachers use these three options: file upload, text entry, and media option. In the file upload, it's fairly simple. You click on this browse button. You bring the file wherever you want to bring it from, and then you simply connect it. Right here, I am looking for any file, and then I just want to upload it. So let me see if I can find something here. I have opened up the file, and then once I'm sure this is the file I need, all I do is submit, and it's going to be submitted and sent to your teacher. Again, I would like to bring it to your attention that whenever you submit your course work, please do it from your laptop or from your desktop computer. If you are using your mobile devices, for example tablets or smartphones, please don't submit your work from mobile devices, because it has happened that sometimes the work was submitted by students, but somehow teacher did not receive it. So we want to recommend that please use the regular computer to submit your work, which means either you can use a laptop or you can use a desktop, which is also fine. So use the computer to submit your work, and use mobile devices for the viewing purposes only. That's how, that's much more beneficial. Now I'm going to also show you how you can submit your discussion. For the discussion, you have this little icon. If you click on the link, introduction, you will be taken to the discussion. Now most of the times in online courses, you will be asked to introduce yourself. You can simply respond by clicking in the reply box and either typing it here or typing it in a word processor and then bringing it, copying it from there and pasting it in this. And simply you can just respond to, hi, I am, you can respond however you want. I'm just going to do quick introduction. And post the reply, and you will see it right away. It comes up, and that's how you simply submit your introduction post. So that's how you reply to your discussions. Now I want to bring it towards the end. I want to bring it to your attention to the help request, which is If you see this question mark at the bottom of the screen, as you can see, I'm hovering over this circle. This is the help option you have. If you have any concern, technical issue or any concern, you can click here and you will be asked to report a problem. You can click on report a problem and write down the subject of the problem and write down what problem you're facing. Please make sure when you write down the problem, you give us the name and number of the course and also where the problem is occurring, which means in which module. Is it week 1, is it week 2, or is it in assignment, is it in discussion area? The more specific information you will provide us, the faster you will receive the response from the Office of Online Learning. And that's all we have for today. Now if you have any questions, I want to bring again to your attention that you are welcome to contact the Office of Online Learning. On the screen, you see the Office of Online Learning email address, which is onlinelearning@ccp.edu, or you may also call for help to help desk at 215-496-6000 and choose option number 2. Thank you everybody for looking at this student orientation.